9 out of 10 car owners are unaware that their vehicles contain hidden shortcuts that could save them hundreds, even thousands, of dollars every year. But here's the crazy part. Most of these tricks cost less than a cup of coffee, and they work better than what professional mechanics sell you. You don't need to be an expert or have a garage full of tools. You just need to know what to do, and what the pros hope you'll never find out. Today, we're diving into 15 genius car hacks that actually work, proven by detailers, mechanics, and everyday drivers who figured out how to beat the system. Every single one of these can save you money, time, and frustration. Let's start with one that sounds ridiculous, but works like magic. You're driving at night and your windshield looks like it's covered in foggy film. The wipers make it worse, just smearing the grime around. Most drivers assume they need expensive glass cleaner or detailing products, but there's a $1 solution sitting in your kitchen right now. An apple. Slice it in half and rub the inside directly across your windshield. The malic acid inside the fruit creates what scientists call the lotus effect, forming a microscopic layer that repels water and dirt. Rain beads right off, bugs slide away, and that greasy haze disappears. Professional windshield cleaning, $25 to $40. Half an apple? About 50 cents. One wipe and your visibility improves instantly. Plus, it smells fresh. Do this once every few weeks, especially before the rainy season, and you'll see the road like never before. And if you think using fruit to clean your windshield sounds crazy, just wait until you hear how toothpaste can fix your paint job. You walk out of the grocery store and there it is, a brand new scratch on your car door. You don't know who did it, but you already see the dollar signs flashing in your head. A single scratch repair at a body shop can run you anywhere from $75 to $150. But here's the thing. Those fine surface scratches aren't actually damage. They're just uneven reflections of light caused by the top layer of clear coat and the same gentle abrasives that polished teeth can polish paint. Grab a tube of whitening toothpaste, apply a small dab to a soft microfiber cloth, and rub it in a circular motion for 30 seconds. Wipe it clean and watch the scratch fade or disappear. It's not magic, it's chemistry. Toothpaste uses hydrated silica, a fine abrasive that smooths surfaces without scratching them. If the scratch catches your fingernail, it's too deep. But for light marks, it's perfect. $3 in toothpaste versus $150 at a shop. That's an easy choice. But what about those tiny chips that can lead to rust? The fix is even cheaper. You hear that ping. A rock just hit your hood at 60 miles per hour. You check and see a tiny paint chip, barely visible. You ignore it. But under the surface, air and moisture are already eating away at the exposed metal. Give it a month, and that tiny chip turns into a rust bubble that spreads under the paint. Here's the simple trick. Seal it instantly with clear nail polish. It dries hard, forms a waterproof barrier, and stops oxidation before it starts. If you're feeling fancy, grab a polish that matches your car's color for a nearly invisible repair. Cost? $2. Neglect? $200. 30 seconds of prevention saves you the price of a full repaint. And now that your exterior looks good, let's talk about a sound that makes every driver cringe. You open your car door and screech. Everyone in the parking lot turns around. You pretend not to notice, but deep down, it bugs you every single time. That squeak isn't just annoying, it's metal grinding on metal. Over time, that friction wears down the hinge, and replacing it can cost up to $200 per door. Fix it in under 5 minutes with WD-40. Spray directly onto the hinge while opening and closing the door slowly. You'll feel it loosen instantly. Wipe away the excess and enjoy silence. Bonus tip: hit your trunk latch and hood hinge while you're at it. They dry out too, especially if you live in hot or salty climates. One $6 can of WD-40 can prevent hundreds in future repairs. But if you think that's clever, the next hack will make your old dashboard look showroom new. You've seen it. Faded, cracked dashboards that look like they've been baking in the desert for years. UV rays and heat strip away natural oils from the plastic, leaving it brittle. But what restores that shine isn't some $15 dashboard restorer from the auto aisle. It's olive oil. Yep, the same stuff in your kitchen. Put a few drops on a soft cloth, rub it across your dashboard in circular motions, and watch the color return. The oil seeps into the material, replenishes moisture, and leaves a subtle gloss that actually lasts. Don't overdo it. Just a few drops go a long way. Professional interior detailing. $80 to $120. A $5 bottle of olive oil can last you an entire year. Your car looks newer, smells cleaner, and stays protected. Now that your dashboard is shining, let's move on to a hack that's pure genius for cleaning those impossible-to-reach spots. Your vents are gross. You don't see it until the sunlight hits them just right. Dust, lint, maybe even a crumb or two from that breakfast sandwich 3 months ago. Most people give up because vent slats are too small for a cloth or vacuum nozzle. But all you need is a $2 paintbrush or an old makeup brush. The soft bristles glide through vents and buttons, lifting away dust instantly without scratching anything. Use it dry for loose dust or with a drop of cleaner for sticky grime. You'll be shocked how much junk comes out and how much fresher your car smells once it's gone. Detail shops charge $150 for a full interior deep clean. This trick costs the price of a coffee. And if you thought brushing dust was satisfying, wait until you try this gooey cleaning trick. You've seen kids play with slime, that stretchy, sticky putty that molds into anything. Turns out, it's one of the best interior cleaning tools ever made. Press a handful of slime into cup holders, air vents, and seams around the gear shifter. It grabs dust, hair, crumbs, and everything that's fallen into impossible cracks. You can buy car cleaning slime for around $10 or make your own with glue, baking soda, and contact solution for about $2. Use it until it's dirty, then toss it. It's weirdly addictive. You'll end up cleaning every corner of your car just because it's fun. And your interior, spotless. But not all hacks are about cleaning. Some can literally save your car doors from freezing shut in the winter. It's 6 a.m., below freezing, and you're running late for work. You pull your door handle, and it's stuck, frozen solid. In frustration, you yank harder and snap. You've torn your rubber seal. Replacing that? Easily $100 to $300 per door. Here's the fix. Apply a thin layer of Vaseline or petroleum jelly along the rubber seals every few months. It keeps the rubber soft, flexible, and water-resistant, so ice can't bond to it. It also prevents cracking from heat and UV exposure in summer. One $3 jar will last you years, and your doors will open smoothly no matter the weather. And while you're thinking about fresh air, let's talk about the one filter most people forget to change. You crank the AC, but it's barely blowing. The air smells musty, stale, maybe even like wet socks. That's your cabin air filter, and it's probably filthy. Most mechanics will happily replace it for you and charge $80 for a job that takes 5 minutes. You can do it yourself with no tools and zero experience. Check your owner's manual, open the glove box, and pop out the filter. A new one costs $15 to $25 and slides right in. You'll instantly notice fresher air, stronger airflow, and better AC performance. It's one of those easy wins that every driver should do twice a year. And speaking of easy wins, the next hack keeps you from accidentally destroying your engine. Pop the hood and you're staring into a mechanical jungle. Cables, hoses, caps, all looking the same. One wrong move and you could pour washer fluid into your brake reservoir. And that's a nightmare. Here's a 5-minute organization trick. Color-coded tape. Label key components using different colors. Blue for washer fluid, red for brake fluid, yellow for oil, and green for coolant. Stick a piece of tape or even colored zip ties near each cap. Next time you check fluids, you'll know exactly what's what. It's simple, visual, and can prevent a mistake that costs thousands in repairs. You can even snap a photo for quick reference. One $5 roll of tape could save your engine. And once your hood is sorted, let's fix something every parent hates: the backseat disaster zone. You open the back door, and it looks like a small tornado hit your car. Snacks, water bottles, toys, and random wrappers everywhere. A $10 hanging shoe organizer transforms the chaos into order. Hang it over the back of your front seats. Each pocket holds snacks, wipes, books, chargers, or toys. It's like giving every item its own parking spot. When it gets messy, just take it off and shake it clean or toss it in the washer. For families, it's a game changer. No more reaching back while driving. No more, "Where's my drink?" Professional organizers sell similar setups for $60 plus. You just did it for $10. And while we're talking about protecting your car, this next one prevents one of the most common garage disasters. You slowly pull into your garage, open your door, and thud, it hits the wall. That dull sound you hear? That's paint or metal being crushed. Instead of expensive rubber guards, just grab a $2 pool noodle, cut it lengthwise, stick it on your wall at door height using double-sided tape or screws. Now, every time you open your door, It hits soft foam instead of drywall. No dents, no paint transfer, no stress. The bright color even helps you line up your car when parking. It's cheap, durable, and weather-resistant. You'll wonder why garages don't come this way from the factory. But if you're not great at parking, the next hack will give you pinpoint accuracy every single time. Every driver's been there, inching into the garage, praying you don't hit the lawnmower. You get out, check your distance, get back in, move an inch, repeat. Here's a fix that's so simple it's brilliant. Hang a tennis ball from your ceiling using a string or fishing line. Position it so the ball gently taps your windshield when your car is perfectly parked. The moment it touches, stop. You're in the exact spot. No sensors, no guesswork, no dings. Customize it with different colors or heights for multiple cars. Setup takes 5 minutes and costs less than $2. Every time you park, it feels like you've outsmarted a $200 parking system. And if you live somewhere cold, the next trick might just save your morning. It's freezing outside. You go to unlock your car, and the key won't turn. The lock's frozen solid. Instead of forcing it or pouring hot water, which refreezes instantly, grab some hand sanitizer. Squeeze a bit on your key, insert it, and wiggle gently. The alcohol in the sanitizer melts ice almost instantly because it doesn't freeze until around -100 degrees Fahrenheit. You can even dab a bit directly into the keyhole. Problem solved in seconds. No locksmith, no waiting, no damage. Cost: about $2 or free if you already have a bottle in your pocket. And yes, it works for padlocks too. It's one of those hacks that makes you wonder how you never heard of it sooner. And now for the final trick, one that's completely free, oddly satisfying, and shockingly effective. You've probably tried peeling off an old registration sticker or bumper decal before. The struggle is real. Bits of paper everywhere, sticky residue that won't budge, and the risk of scratching your glass. Here's the genius solution. Wet newspaper. Soak a few sheets in water, press them over the sticker, and wait 10 to 15 minutes. The moisture softens the adhesive and lifts the sticker right off, cleanly, with zero scraping. The texture of the paper even polishes the glass as you peel it away. Free method, flawless result, professional removal. $30 to $50. You just did it with something you were about to throw away. Once you see how well this works, you'll start using it on every sticker in sight. So, how many of these hacks did you already know? Be honest. At least one of them probably surprised you. Drop a comment below and tell me which one blew your mind the most. And if even one of these tricks saved you money or made your car look new again, hit that subscribe button. Because next time, I'm exposing the real secrets mechanics use to overcharge customers and how you can beat them at their own game. Your wallet will thank you.